Hello student, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Doing study at home? Welcome back to our online classes from LPM Public School, situated at Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your subject teacher of Computer, Chapter 2, Use of a Computer. Okay, what's the name of chapter is? Chapter 2, Use of a Computer. Okay students, so let's start chapter 2. Without time wasting, take out your computer book, IT Vision, open chapter 2, Use of Computer. So students, let's revise. Before previous video you have learned to natural things and man-made things. Okay, what is a machine and computer? A smart machine. Types of computer: desktop, laptop, tablet and a smartphone. Okay students, and today I will teach you chapter 2, Use of a Computer. So let's start chapter 2. Chapter 2, Use of a Computer. Okay students, you can store food in a washing machine. Can you store food in a washing machine or wash clothes with a bathroom? Or should not? These machines are designed to do scientific work. What do you think a computer is used for? Used for a computer. Okay, use for a computer daily. Computer or a computer can do a number of things. Okay, can do number of things. That is what make it a wonderful machine. Okay, computer are used to control large and small machine which in the past were controlled by humans. Okay, they are also in home where they are used for things such as listening to music, reading the news and writing. Okay, a computer can do a number of things. That is what make it a wonderful machine. Listen to music, drawing or coloring. Okay, and second one, play games, watching cartoons. Okay student, typing a document, looking for information. Okay, first one, listen to music, and second one, drawing and coloring, and third one, playing games, and fourth one, watching cartoons, and fifth one, typing a document, And sixth one, looking for information. Okay students, looking for information. Usage of a computer. Okay, uses of a use of computers in our daily life. Hello friends, I am a computer and I am a very useful machine. Hello friends, I am a computer. I am a computer and I am a very useful machine. Most of the other machine around you only do one things. Okay, like a washing machine washes clothes. Washing machine, like a washing machine washes clothes. Music system. Okay student, and a music system play music. Music system and a music system play music. Okay, but a computer is such a useful machine that is can do many different things. But a computer is such a useful machine that it can do many different things. This one little machine, this one a little machine can perform the function of many different machines. This one little machine can perform the function of many different machines. When you want to draw or color, pencil, paper, pen, marker and color. Okay, you have to get paper, pencil, markers, crayons or pen. There is another easier way tool. There is another easier way tools. You listen to music on a music system or the radio. Music system. You listen to music on a music system or the radio. Okay, what is this? Radio. You listen to music on a music system or the radio. Okay students, listen to music. A computer can also play music. Watching movies and cartoons. Movies and cartoons can be enjoyed not only on the TV but a computer tool. Writing letters, easy applications. Okay, writing letters easy applications. We either it is a letter to a friend, an English essay, or an couple application. Writing letters, essay, and applications. Writing letters, essay, and applications. We where it is a letter to a friend, an English essay, or an application. Entertainment and game. Entertainment and game. Car race or puzzle. Car race or puzzle. Robots or aliens. Entertainment and games. I can keep you entertained all day with games and videos. Entertainment and games. I can keep you entertained all day with games and videos. Solving sums. Solving sums. Maths is easy for me. You don't need a calculator when you have a computer. Okay. That means first one, watching music and cartoons. Listen to music, solving sums, writing letters, essay and applications. Okay. Entertainment, games. Maths is easy for me. You don't need a calculator when you have a computer. Videos, documents, photos, messages, files, emails, movies and music. All the process solve the computers. Okay. Papers, files, books, CDs, a computer can store everything. Videos, file, email, movies, documents, photos, message and music. And you don't need to tidy up. A computer has many different use in different fields and place. Computers are used for performing large calculation. We can watch movies and cartoons on it. It is used for making drawings and pictures and also coloring them. We can listen to music. We can listen to music on a computer. Computer can be used for our studies. Computer used for our study. Computer can be used for sending emails or chatting with friends and relatives through the internet. Computers never gets annoyed even if you make mistakes. At shopping mall for making bills, in hospitals for maintaining the health of patients and also for keeping their records. So students, all the key points learn the chapter 2 and their name, uses of computer in daily life. It means listen to music, playing games, drawing and coloring, watching cartoons, typing documents, looking for information. Okay, learn them students. Okay, bye, thank you and take care students.